approximately 50% of the cars sold in India belong to the house of Maruti. Maruti is clearly differentiated. That is why Indians prefer this. What is the differentiation of Maruti and how have they done it? Hi, I'm Abhishek Jhingan. Let's get started. Everyone understands that it's important to differentiate. Differentiation is what causes a customer कि ये मेरा ही product prefer करे. But how do you actually figure out how you differentiate your product? So firstly, I will tell you two methods which you can use as levers or sources of differentiation. इसमें पहला वाला होता है our marketing mix. And second, I would like you to think about the customer segments. Let's move to the marketing mix. 4 P's, we are discussing products now. At the product level, now of the 4 P's, product is where maximum differentiation happens. A simple example. During the pandemic, companies innovated with a soap dispenser which worked electronically, so you wouldn't have to touch. It worked very well there. Similarly, on place or channel, various disruptive innovations can happen. Think about it. Similarly, for promotion, you can promote in a different way. It's important that all of us put that, can our messaging be different, the way we message be different, or some other aspect of promotion which matters. Last P that we could discuss here is price. So clearly there are products which differentiate on price. आपको पता है Omega or Gucci, these are luxury items which have very, very premium pricing, but also great design. So pricing can be used. Maruti car which we talked about, clearly economy, खरीदने के time कम price, dealer networks, easily available spare parts, all talking about easy, economical, mileage that it gives, clearly using both product as well as price to drive a differentiation. Secondly, let's look at segments. We know Tesla as an innovator, expensive, premium kind of car. But what sometimes we don't think is that they have taken that premium segment and in that taken a niche of an eco-friendly product, right? So within the premium segment, those who want eco-friendly products or are worried about the environment, Tesla fits in beautifully there. So Tesla एक अच्छा example है. Similarly, think of who are the customers who are not happy in the market. वो खुश नहीं है जो companies उनको दे रही हैं. That's an opportunity to differentiate. Who are the underserved customers जिनको नहीं मिल रहा वो product जो वो चाहते हैं. So think about this. The marketing mix and the kind of customer segments. These are great ways to look at levers or sources of differentiation. Now, coming to the second part, how do you roll out this process of differentiation? हमने sources of differentiation से differentiating element तो निकाल लिए, इसको roll out कैसे करेंगे? And not many people talk about this or explain this, or maybe they don't even realize it, but you must have a way, a process to roll it out. So firstly, we've looked at the sources of differentiation, the levers of differentiation, we've used that. Now next, this should be taken to the positioning statement. See, a positioning statement talks about the product, क्या customer होगा, क्या competition होगा, क्या differentiating element होगा. Positioning statement captures that. In fact, what are the reasons to believe, जो RTB बोलते हैं, everything is in the positioning statement. Do this diligently so that this can be rolled out in the communication. Next, look at your brand. Brand is what? Brand is about being different in the identity, so you are recognized. Brand और क्या है? एक promise, एक value बताता है, right? So that should also be different to others, and it will come if you got your differentiating element, you've got it in the positioning statement, it will come into the brand elements as well that we've talked about. Lastly, friends, marketing programs. We've looked at, after all the strategies done, marketing programs are used to shift the customer from a current behavior to a desired behavior, right? Maybe purchasing less of our product, कैसे और वो हमारा product purchase करे या इस्तेमाल करे, whatever the goal may be. I have discussed this in depth in my video on comprehensive marketing strategy. You can check it in the I button. Please do have a look at it. Now, the last part of rolling out your marketing differentiator is the program. सो थिंक हाउ यू कैन रोल इट आउट इन अ वे कि वो डिफरेंस साफ जो आपने डिसाइड किया है आपके कस्टमर को भी दिखे। फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज डिस्कस की है कि डिफरेंशिएशन हम कैसे बनाते हैं एंड हाउ डू वी रोल इट आउट। आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू दिस, टेल मी in your business or the brands that you handle, how will you use these elements of differentiation? How will you roll it out? Tell me in the comment section. If you have any queries regarding this discussion, reach out to me on my social media handles. If you found this interesting and want to know more about marketing and marketing strategy, like, share and subscribe.